This podcast is sponsored by ScienceBasedLearning.com. Discover a passion-driven language learning system that combines ebooks, audiobooks, and videos with the science of spaced repetition. Maximize your learning and retention today at ScienceBasedLearning.com.
Mastering Spanish Impersonal Expressions. Learn how to use sí and uno for expressing the impersonal you in Spanish with examples and exceptions to the rule. The Impersonal You in Spanish, a comprehensive guide. When learning Spanish, one often encounters the complexity of expressing the impersonal you. This concept is crucial for conveying messages or instructions applicable to people in general. Unlike English, Spanish has specific grammatical structures for this purpose, mainly using sé and uno. Let's explore how these forms are used, supported by examples and notable exceptions. Using SE for the impersonal you. In Spanish, SE is a versatile pronoun employed for forming impersonal constructions. This method typically involves the third-person singular or plural form of the verb, depending on the subject affected by the verb's action. Example with singular subject: Se vive bien en esta ciudad. One lives well in this city. Example with plural subject: Se venden coches usados. Used cars are sold. These examples illustrate how SE is used impersonally to indicate actions without specifying a subject, making the sentence neutral and applicable to any general subject, the role of uno in impersonal expressions. Another method to express the impersonal you in Spanish is with uno. This word functions similarly to one in English and is especially useful when expressing personal experiences or opinions in a general sense. Uno nunca sabe lo que puede pasar. You never know what might happen. Cuando uno está cansado, es difícil concentrarse. When you are tired, it's difficult to concentrate. Using uno in this context is less formal than SE and more common in spoken language to add a subjective personal touch while maintaining a general tone. Comparing SE and uno. While both sí and uno serve the purpose of forming impersonal expressions, their usage and tone differ. Is typically more formal and objective, whereas uno allows room for personal impression and is frequently used in conversations. Se formal, objective, and often in written contexts. Uno, informal, subjective, and predominant in oral communication. Exceptions and the special cases. While SE and uno are the primary tools for expressing the impersonal you, there are exceptions where they might not be appropriate or require additional context. For instance, in reflexive constructions, SE changes its function. Se levanta temprano. He/she wakes up early. Here, SE is a reflexive pronoun, not impersonal. Moreover, regional variations might incline speakers towards one structure over the other, impacting their preferred usage. Being aware of these subtleties enhances comprehension and communication skills, especially when interacting with native speakers. In conclusion, the impersonal you in Spanish encapsulates usage through SE and uno, each with its nuances and contexts. Mastering these enables learners to talk about generalities efficiently, while respecting the tone and formality appropriate to different situations. To enrich your understanding of Spanish and other languages, visit ScienceBasedLearning.com. Explore our resources and get your copy of comprehensive learning materials today.